Hello everyone, good afternoon. Thank you for attending this meeting. Today we will be talking about introducing toy subscription service and mobile application development. This is project kickoff meeting. Meeting's agenda. We will be talking about company overview, project objective and scope. We will also be discussing about current challenges and project background. We will also look into roles and responsibilities of each team member. We will be focusing on scheduling, key deliverables, communication plan, and at last we will have suggestions and Q&A session. As you know, we are one of the leading toy manufacturing companies in the world. Creativity, innovation, and knowledge has been our pillars of success. We have been manufacturing diverse toys, games, crafts, and electronics for kids of every age group. We are known for our creative and educational toys since ages. We are trying to keep up with the same standards in future also. Some of our leading brands are Baby Einstein, Sesame Street, Transformers, Rescue Bots, and many more. Our motto is to bring as many smiles as we can with our creative toys. We would like to see kids learning while playing with our toys. The main purpose of the project is to start mobile application which focuses majorly on the toy subscription service. The scope will explain above objective in a much better way. We would like to sell our new range of toys through these toy subscription services using mobile application. With these applications, parents can order toys for their kids very easily. Now, as you know, we are facing many challenges, and one of them is rise of e-commerce. Nowadays, people are buying more and more online or by using mobile application. Websites like eBay, Amazon, and other company websites, they have all the variety of products available online. So people do not want to go and invest their time buying items from the stores. Life is getting busy and people want to spend less time in shopping. As a reason, more and more brick and mortar stores are closing. The recent example is Toys R Us. By using mobile application, they can spend less time in shopping for the toys for their kids. This app will be so much easier to use and navigate that people will love it. As you also know that mobile applications has become so much handy that people use text, Uber, Lyft, or even they order food online using the apps. Let's look at a little bit detail of the project. Our application will have various subscription memberships like freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior. That will be different subscription length from 1 month to an year. If somebody wants to try us, they can subscribe for 1 month and can continue if they like us. There will be different categories of toy boxes available to select from, like craft box, art box, science box, engineering box, or mixed bricks box. In a mixed bricks box, they can select and mix and match from 2 different categories like art and science, or craft and engineering, or science and engineering. Subscription is also available based on the age group like 0 to 12 months, 1 to 3 years, 4 to 6 years, 7 to 11 years, 12 to 16 years. The application will be so much easier to navigate from one page to another page. Order confirmation, payment online, everything will be much easier for parents to use this one. And for the last point, I would like some more suggestions from you guys before we get into the details of the project or before we start the project. Suggestions can be given at the end of the project. Now we will look into some roles and responsibilities of each team member. Jai A. Shah, that is me. I will be the project manager for this project. I will be leading the project. I will be developing the plan. I will be establishing schedule and provide regular updates to stakeholders and management. Christian is our business analyst. He will be working on establishing relationships between technical lead and project manager. He will be defining, analyzing, and documenting requirements. He will also be assisting in business case. Jay M. Shah is our technical lead who is providing all technical support, problem solving and troubleshooting. He will be the lead of development team. He will be updating project manager on daily basis, and all the necessary updates of the project will be discussed. Roshan is our quality assurance head and will also be doing testing of the app once it is completed. He will be developing test designs, test process, test case and test data. Once the app is fully developed and completed, he will run the full test procedures as described in business case or project plan document, and will ensure that each and every criteria is met. Cassie Makoff is our marketing lead. She'll be working with marketing team to make a campaign plan. She will also be creating, editing and documenting marketing material for campaign. Ramesh is our developer. He will be working on development of the app, create codes and algorithms for the app to meet the required features as it is described in the project plan. He will be updating technical lead about the project, about the development of the project. He will also include project manager during all the updates. Jose is our designer who will be working on appearance, graphics and user interface of the app. He will be also working with developer to make sure everything is in line with the development. He will be updating technical lead about the progress of the project. Now let's go through the project scheduling. The project is scheduled to complete in 6 months. The first month is dedicated for business plan, marketing plan, project planning. 2 months is allocated to design phase, and similarly 2 months are allocated to development phase. QA testing is distributed in 2 different phases. The first phase will occur in the month of June, when we will almost done with our design and will start the development. At that time, in process testing will be done, and the next testing will be done in the month of September, once the project is completely done and the app is developed. And we are planning to launch our product on October 19th. Now we will look into some key deliverables that are mentioned in the table. Any delay in these deliverables will directly or indirectly affect the project schedule. All responsible persons, please note down the key deliverables that are affected or that are being delivered by their department. Requirements and documentation of updated project plan, team activity plan, deployment strategy and test strategy are the deliverables which needs to be done by the management team. User interface design needs to be done by documenting all the requirements and delivery dates. Product engineering will be done by the development team, documenting all the requirements for engineering specs required in the front end and the back end, and the delivery dates will be written in the documents. Marketing campaigns deliverables should be done by marketing team. This includes campaign, goal tracking, customer analysis, media plan and budget, and finally the executive plan. Each member should track deliverables internally, and project manager can keep track of the overall deliverables. Now let's see how the communication will work. We will have 2 meetings, one in the morning and the second will be held in afternoon. On Monday we will not have any meetings, but on Tuesdays we will have our team weekly meeting every morning in the morning to discuss the updates day by day that is done in the project. In the afternoon we will have meetings regarding the issues, risks and action plans to mitigate all the risks. Both of these meetings will be done on a weekly basis. On Wednesday morning we will not have any kind of meeting, but in the afternoon we will have like a small consolidated team and task status meetings for the leadership review, where all the leaders will come in the meeting and update on the status of the project for their department. On Thursdays we will have a program leadership review meeting in which the project manager, the upper management will be there and will be reviewing all the updates and the progress, the risks, the budget, and the schedule of the meetings. This will be done bi-weekly on Thursdays. And on Friday we will have like an executive leadership meeting. On this meeting, the project manager, the leads of all the departments, the stakeholders will be available, and they will be reviewing the update for each and every month. And this meeting will be done on a monthly basis. Suggestions, questions and answers. Any suggestions will be greatly appreciated. As I have mentioned earlier on the project background slide, that I would like to have some more suggestions from you guys, so that we can think, discuss and brainstorm on all those suggestions, and if necessary or if possible, we will like to add all those suggestions to our application. If you have any problems or issues related to the project roles and responsibilities or schedule, please flag it right now, as we might be able to make some changes. If anybody is going on leave for next month or a month after, please let us know in advance so that we can make necessary changes to our project schedule. Our project will start on 19th of next month. Any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.